Hello everybody, welcome back to another video about Cardano guys. Today's video is very special and absolutely that's a very happy news, good news for all Cardano holders, because the Cardano is nowadays is in the pumping mood, and absolutely I'm feeling good about Cardano from the 1st August. And still, my friends, I found every time, every hour, every day Cardano is in the positive move, Cardano is in the jumping mode, guys. But in this video I'm going to show you the future price of the Cardano. What will be the price, what will be the pump of the Cardano at the last of August. So let me show you guys, but before starting this video, please click the subscribe button now for more updates and news videos about cryptocurrencies market. Guys, you can see here, my friends, that from the 1st August the Cardano price is start increasing, and now still the current price of the Cardano is $1.72 dollar. 1.72 cent is the current price of the Cardano. Absolutely, my friends, every day the 2 or 5 cent the price increase, my friends, and it's really a good news for all of you that the price is increasing now, guys. I think that it's a profit time for all of you. Anyways, on the other hand, if you look the changes occur in the Cardano, so as I told you, my friend, that every hour, every day, every week changes of the Cardano is positive. You can see here, my friends, the whole changes is positive. So guys, if these kind of changes continue in the Cardano, so that's clear, my friends, without any doubt that Cardano is the profitable coin in the market. So guys, in annuities, especially in annuities, I very recommend for everybody to invest now in a Cardano, because from the price chart you can see here absolutely a massive jump occur by Cardano. You can see here this candle represents the huge pump of the Cardano. And guys, if this chart pumps, so I believe that they will continue this pump for a long time. For a long time they continue this pump. You can see here, my friends, the Cardano price on this point. Just look here, I'm talking about this point. 1.08 USD dollar is the this point price, my friends. But now as I show you, my friends, that the latest price of the Cardano is 1.72 USD dollar. You can see here, my friends, that the current day price of the Cardano is the highest price of the Cardano, my friends, 1.72 USD dollar. So guys, possibilities that in the future the price more and more take a pump. That's why I really recommend for all of you to invest now in a Cardano. Hope you're feeling good about Cardano. Don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates videos.